Unity will soon change its pricing according to its latest article. Thus, if you're an indie developer like me, or you're planning to become one, soon they will take away all of your money. Soon you will have nothing left to eat except your nails. Oh well, maybe if you're a rather small game dev like me, you won't even see the difference. We're seeing some discussion on Twitter where people say that they're honestly negatively affected by it and are planning to switch to another game engine. I feel very sorry for you guys still. So, welcome back, game dev enthusiasts. In this small update video, I want to explain the upcoming changes to Unity's pricing to you while working on our next series. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So, on September 12th, Unity has published this article to its official blog, introducing various changes to its pricing, including this runtime fee that everyone is talking about at the moment. And by the way, runtime refers to the exact part of the Unity game engine that is running your game when it's exported. Therefore, instead of only paying an annual fee, depending on your business's revenue, you do now pay for every install that is being made by your users on top of it. However, this runtime fee hopefully doesn't even count for you, as it does only apply to you if your business's annual revenue has more than 200,000 US dollars in the past year and more than 200,000 people installed any of your games as far as I'm concerned, counting from the 1st of January of next year. And if you're having an enterprise subscription, this barrier will be a bit higher for you. Now, I think this figure is why I see people getting confused with the changes. If you're having a Pro or Enterprise subscription, you're getting a discount on your runtime fee and installs from emerging markets like many states in Africa and Southeast Asia do generally cost a bit less. Other than that, there might be further discounts if you're using other Unity services, which I'm not quite sure if that's legal, but that's the official information we got at the moment. Finally, this one might be awesome for you. Unity Personal and Unity Plus will be kind of merged from what I understand at the moment, and there will be a few additional features like Unity's AI package, Unity Centers, and some cloud storage coming for free to all of us, which seem to be features they wanted to introduce anyway. Also, please tell me in the comments what you think of Unity's changes in pricing and how they're going to affect you. Ultimately, it seems that the new pricing structure is primarily aimed at larger game developers, especially those who sell a high volume of copies at relatively low prices. We've seen some game development studios expressing their concerns on platforms like Twitter, and since the runtime fee seems to orientate at all of our games, it might be bad for businesses that have made a successful game once or want to make a game for free next. I hope these changes won't affect your game development journey negatively. Remember, the world of game development is always evolving. Stay informed, stay creative, and keep building amazing games. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.